Have you ever wondered how much a giraffe needs to sleep compared to a bat? It's a curious question, isn't it? But in the wild kingdom of animal sleep habits, it's just the tip of the iceberg. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each creature has its own unique sleep patterns that are as varied as they are fascinating. So, buckle up for an intriguing journey as we venture into the world of animal slumber. Stay tuned as we explore the peculiar sleep habits of animals. Starting with our tall friend the giraffe, you'd be surprised to know that these towering creatures are among the shortest sleepers in the animal kingdom. Unlike us humans who need a good 7 to 8 hours of shut-eye, giraffes only sleep for about 30 minutes a day. Yes, that's right, 30 minutes. And they don't even get it all in one go. These half-hour slumbers are often broken up into short bursts of just a few minutes each, sometimes only getting 5 minutes of sleep at a time. But why such scant sleep, you might ask? Well, it's a matter of survival. Living in the wild, giraffes need to stay alert for predators. Every moment of sleep is a moment of vulnerability. So, they've evolved to require minimal sleep, keeping one eye open and both ears perked up, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. So, next time you complain about not getting enough sleep, remember our friend the giraffe. Moving on to the opposite spectrum, let's talk about bats. These fascinating creatures are known for their nocturnal behavior, but did you know they are also among the longest sleeping mammals? Bats curl up and doze off for an average of 19.9 hours each day. Yes, you heard right, nearly 20 hours. This lengthy slumber is due to a combination of factors. First, their diet. Bats predominantly feed on insects, which are most active at night. This means bats do their hunting during the night and rest during the day. Secondly, being nocturnal, their bodies are naturally inclined to be active during the night and rest during daylight hours. So, if you've ever been referred to as a night owl for your late-night activities, you might want to reconsider. With their long hours of sleep and nocturnal nature, you might just be more akin to a bat. Remember this fact next time you're called a night owl, you're more of a bat. Ever thought about how aquatic animals sleep? Let's dive into the world of dolphins. Unlike us humans who have the luxury of completely shutting off when we hit the hay, dolphins, my friends, have a rather peculiar way of catching their Z's. They sleep with one eye open. Yes, you heard it right. When a dolphin decides it's time to rest, it doesn't just doze off like the rest of us. Instead, it shuts down half of its brain and the opposite eye to rest. Meanwhile, the other half stays wide awake to control vital functions like breathing and to keep a vigilant watch out for any lurking threats. This unique sleep habit is known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. And it's not just a cool party trick. It's a necessary survival skill for these intelligent aquatic creatures. Talk about having your eye on the ball, or in this case, the ocean. Let's recap the peculiar sleep habits we've discovered today. Who would have thought that the lofty giraffe with its long neck stretched towards the sky only requires a mere 2 hours of sleep per day? Yes, that's right, 2 hours. It's a surprise that such a large animal can function on such a minuscule amount of rest. But hey, that's the life of a giraffe for you. Then, we have the bat, our nocturnal friend. While we humans are busy catching our 40 winks, the bat is wide awake, fluttering about in the dead of night. But when the sun rises, it's time for the bat to turn in. In fact, bats take slumber to a whole new level, sleeping for a staggering 19 hours a day. It's almost as if they've turned the tables on the day-night cycle. And we can't forget about the dolphin, an animal that has truly mastered the art of multitasking. Imagine being able to swim, navigate, and avoid predators all while half your brain is asleep. That's exactly what dolphins do every day. They're the epitome of sleeping with one eye open. The next time you have trouble sleeping, remember you could be a giraffe, a bat, or a dolphin. Sweet dreams.